Alright, I had an issue with this in the fall last year. I wanted to start it, it would not start. Then I checked the oil was way over full. And when I smelled it, it was almost all gas. And somehow the gas had gone from the tank into the oil. And that's quite a feat because this is updraft carburetor, but it did do it. Obviously the tank's above it, so it'll still fill it. So
there was a bug on my arm.
so anyway, I took the carburetor off to rebuild it, put a new float in it, and as I was doing that, the clutch shaft broke. They don't make a clutch shaft for it. So now I have a new carburetor. So I'm going to put that on, or at least start the process tonight, and then we'll see where we're at. Well, these should have little clevis pins that hold them. And also this feels a little small for that. I don't know why. So this one's a smaller rod, so it should be fine. But it's also missing its little clevis pin. So I think I may need to open this hole up a little bit to fit this guy in there. So I hate modifying new things. I guess I could modify the old thing. Let's just bolt this up and then we'll start worrying about that. Let's be at a very slight angle to get it out of here. There we go.
Why are you taking that out?
I just need to get it down here a little bit so I can get it to break this loose from here. Well, that looks pretty good. Unfortunately, we may have to postpone until tomorrow to get this thing all the way done. I don't have any, I don't know that I have any small cotter pins like this. I'll have to go search through my treasure trove. Makes me a little bit. Oh, look at that. Maybe. I'll put it in there. Let's see. Screws. Alright, we're gonna go to the hardware store. I don't have any. I got a lot of other junk though. Anybody know what this is for? I don't know. It was in this when I got it. Pretty interesting.
There's an incense cones.
There you go. Well, I don't think that's what's in it now. Let's see. Oh, no, some bolts in there. Looks like for a old mongoose stem probably. From back in the day. I held on to them for some reason. All right. Doubt it, but you never know. I'm sure it's like a universal fit of some kind. But as you can see, it's not going to be link. Man. Let's go on there a little ways. All right. Testing. Might have to start over from the beginning. Been sitting a while. I still don't have any voltage, so. Oh, dang.